Welcome back to Factorio Space Age. Here we are, back on the starting planet, with plans to go to a different planet. Go to platforms here. Look at the map. Space map. We need to go to Fulgora. A dry, windswept planet with lightning storms on plateaus and oceans of oil that can be bridged by elevated rails. There appear to be some ruins. Day-night cycle is 3 minutes. Gravity is 8 meters per second squared. Magnetic field is 99%. Pressure is 800. Solar power and atmosphere 20%. Average lightning power density 29.3 kilowatts per meter squared. No evolution factor. Robot energy usage times 1. Contains things and an ocean of oil. Okay. Solar power in space 120%. It's a lot less actually. So like a fifth of solar on there. We've got lightning storms, so we can do lightning stuff. Yeah. Definitely going to be another whole different place. Let me pick up the things we had on us from here. Also go grab stuff that's brought down from here. We're just keeping some stuff up here. We still have the other power armor just up in space, so that's fine. And we've made a whole bunch of space science. We can make this wherever we go, so let's just drop that down to this planet so we can use it for doing stuff. We're gonna do some science while we wait. There's not a whole bunch of stuff we want to just spend space science on right now, so it's a different idea. We need to send some stuff up for bringing over. Just a good collection of things which would help our travels. Just a bunch of all the different kinds of stuff we want. Launching all these rockets is very affordable here. So we're making nice big piles of all the stuff all the time. Let's make some more. And a couple more fast inserters. The weighting is more of the problem. We could make multiple rockets. That's also technically an option. We need to connect it all up to everything though, so. For right now, this is fine. We don't have the space platform requesting anything in particular, so can't really tell it to just keep piling things in here and hope that it actually goes up, because it wouldn't. It's going to be a continuing process here, because it is a little slow. Yeah, speed modules here. Needs to go faster. Or is it preparing this? Preparing the next one. I think we don't have quite as many things around here. So we could make some better speed modules or something. It's just right now it's ready to launch the next one. It launches. The main problem is just the speed of it going here. It launches away. Should be closes and just kind of opens again. It's just a little bit behind, I think. We're doing better on here. This one has no additional stuff. Volcanus? No. It's got some productivity modules. Either's fine, I guess. Let's send up some medium poles. Just preparing for a voyage. It's complicated enough as it is. Let me get some more speed here. Speed module 2s. Let's make some more speed module 2s. Can't make the 3s, those need tungsten bits. Get the 2s going. Speed it up. Just go a little bit quicker here. Would be great. And some more fast transport belts. Just get a couple of these going so we can get iron up and whatever. It's a whole process. Let's see. We already have some big mining drills up in space, so that's something we have. We got big mining drills, we got cliff explosives, we got carbon fiber, we got space science, got the other power armor, we got some stuff that we actually use up here, so we're not going to use that. Faster. Okay. Yeah, still waiting. So put something in here too. Some long-handed inserters. At some point it might be more efficient to launch up just the plates. Just make stuff there. How expensive it is to make stuff. Deliver it. See this, got 50, it's at 7. Probably just would be cheaper to set up a whole bunch of raw resources. Which isn't a bad thing, of course. Let's also turn this on. Brings us some more stuff. Also ask for additional basic resources here for right now. So I'm gonna start sending them up. Ready to go. Send some storage boxes. More things we send, the less we're gonna need to build there, so it's at least something. Deliver cargo. Speed, speed. Speed. This needs a little bit more speed and it should be ready to just constantly go here. Car. Closes. It's working. It's getting there. Send some big electric poles. Probably send some robots too, would be helpful. Send some roboports. Send some resources, send some circuits. Just everything basically. 2. Okay. I'm gonna request. Robot requests, not particularly. Send some construction bots. Yes, a few more of these speed 2s, and we should be able to just keep this flowing here, which is nice. Just take time to just get it prepared for the next one. Deliver. Let's go get some. We could just request it to bring us logistics bots. So make the request here. In here somewhere. Bots. Logistics bots. Maybe like 200. They'll be coming. Let's send the iron and copper. A good supply of those. Deliver. These are more the speed 2s. Could make these in like something. In an assembler. Would technically be better. Right. Some more medium poles. Why not? Let's have some started and stuff. I feel like we should probably just set up a good chunk of more basic resources too. Those will be helpful. Deliver cargo. Go. Goes to launch. Launching away. Just more circuits and stuff here too. Circuits, 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 circuits. Not really in there. In here. There are too many circuits and stuff. There's a pile of bits. Deliver these. Love to see it. Send some undergrounds too. Those are more annoying to make. Let's send some ammo. Some ammo might be good. Can we shoot lightning? Probably not exactly, but you know, something. Alright. We're almost to the speed it needs to be here. There's another load of iron copper. You need like batteries or sulfur or anything. Laser turrets could be good. Could try to send up a Spidertron. Make a whole bunch of rockets for that. That'd be something. Right. Turn off the logistics bots quest. Send that up. Okay. Like 200 logistics spots at least. Something to work with here. I'm going to send up quite a few assembly machines. Those are resource intensive, let's say. You'd be correct in saying so. Those. Speed. More speed. More speed. Okay. They're sending rockets. So it closes. And is immediately ready to go again. Perfect. So this is the speed we're looking for. That's great. Okay. Let's keep sending more stuff up. The more we send, less problems we're going to have in the future. Okay. 2 more sets of logistics bots, I suppose. Is there any bulk considers or anything? Probably not. Stack conservers are just sitting on a different planet, so we can't use those either. Okay. Seeing a good start and set of things. I'm saying speed modules. It's a lot of energy consumption. Probably not really what we need for the most part. But probably not. I think I set up more circuits. Those are always helpful to have more of. Robots. Oh, it's not ready. I know. Now it is ready. It doesn't seem like the speed or anything speeds up the whole rocket animations part. It's just kind of the speed that it makes more rocket parts. That's alright. What do we got up here now? Yeah, 200 of those. Good amount of fast inserters. We're using those here too. Where's that? More fast inserters. More power poles. More circuits. Just more resources in general. Keep delivering it. We're gonna set up a few more sets of iron copper. Maybe some steel, plastic, stuff like that. Let's request more steel and plastic here. Just a little bit more. There is no plastic. Okay. Has plastic box? Do we even have a plastic box? I guess that's a different question. Solve that by just going in, taking it. Oh, pile steel, because why not? Steel, plastic, some gears, or copper plates, and some gears, why not? Piles and piles of different stuff. That'll work. Okay. This is some electric engine units. It's always kind of awkward to make. a possibility. Nice plate. We need to send up the roboports. Maybe more roboports would also be good. Just gonna send things. We'll send some shotgun shells. Our capacity 50, half a stack. Not great. I'm just kind of sending things. If it works, it works. If it works, it works. Send these. An entire rocket can only move 50 shotgun shells. Uh-huh. Right. Some wild stuff that can be put in here. So working with what we got. Working with what we got. Some of these electric engine units. Why not? What do we need these for? Probably something. It's a good enough reason. These and these and these. Some of these. Some of these. And a little that. 7 resources available. Is nice. Okay. Also said there's big ocean seas that need elevated rail to deal with. That is refined concrete, stone, steel, iron. Refined concrete is steel, iron, concrete, water. The concrete is stone and bits and things. That's a lot to consider. There's some more cargo. There you go. We can set the stuff in the inventory before it gets ready to go. Just once it launches, launch again. Set up some roboports. Hold 10. Take another 10. 20 is a good, reasonable number of roboports. Alright. Yep, the speed's working fine. I need some more requester chests. Send some more of those. Or ask for more of them. Only 15. Depends what we're requesting. Requester chests. Bring me 50. Only 0. I think I would have a box for that. Yeah. Or just basic resources. Also good. As long as we don't overfill the space station, but there's a lot of space up there. Even with not all of the storage boxes going. Still pretty good. Send more circuits. Just run up and down this line. Got a whole bunch of different circuits and stuff. It's pretty good. Circuits. There we go. Some of the more awkward things to make large quantities of. It'll help. Like that. Another set of roboports. Need somebody bring us requester chests. Do we have a box making requester chests? One would think. Roboports. Making requester chests. What do we got here? Robots. We got. I've never gotten around to making the different boxes here this time. Let's need to set up some turrets too would be good. Deliver these. These are turrets. I can see 25. That's okay. So we can just make ourselves some of these. Here is laser turrets. Let's have some batteries. Should probably set up some batteries. Wouldn't be a bad idea. Use some of that. Look for batteries. There's batteries line. Okay. We're just setting stuff up. Batteries. There you go. What we're going to be low on is always the question. Let's send up stuff. Okay. Not thinking sulfur, but you never know. Deliver that. Let's take a look at what we have up here. What I feel like we're missing. Could do with a few more power poles. Got the robots. Other two kinds of chests. Assembling machines would be good to have more of. And got 400 of these. Some splitters. More undergrounds, maybe. Okay. Just want to be as prepared as we can be here. Never know. Never know. I'll send some pipes. This could be good. Since it's to make with all the resources, send some pipes. Wait, substations? Send some substations. Is it delaying things? Potentially. It's working. Power poles, just more fast inserters in general is a good thing to have. For inserting stuff. That. As long as we just keep on having plenty of stuff available. Just keep launching more stuff. It's all working out. Undergrounds, why not? We're gonna get there eventually here. Just need to be prepared. That's the idea, at least. That. Need 2 stacks of pipes. Request more pipes. More pipes. Okay. So the provider chests. Just about. Okay. We are making provider chests from somewhere. Exactly what we have being brought to us is always slightly a question. As long as it works. Requester chests. Don't need the regular mining drills, I wouldn't think. We got the big mining drills already up in orbit. That should be fine. Almost getting the pipes in. We can send those 2. Good. Alright. And there's probably some more of the regular resources too. Base resources for making whatever we need. It's not a bad idea. Here's the pipes. Send some pipes to space. Some of these may be less efficient than just sending plates. This makes the starting process less annoying. Just having things ready to go. If we can mostly survive on making all the stuff already sent there instead of having to manually craft things or set up any production. Depends on what we're trying to accomplish, I suppose. Make a rocket to leave, and then make some science. And on that thought, maybe we could send up the stuff we need to build a rocket silo. That is 1,000 concrete and more of those electric engine units. 1,000 steel. Should be able to make most of that stuff there. One would hope. Pipe to grounds. I feel like concrete would be very heavy to launch into space. Maybe not the best play. Okay. Let's see a bit of that. Look at concrete here. Fine concrete. My capacity 100 of it. 100 concrete. It would take 10 launches to send up enough concrete to make a rocket silo. Yeah, probably not. We're not really making more electric engine units. They're probably somewhere. We definitely send plenty of electric engine units up. Go grab some electric engine units. Save us that much hassle at least. Deliver that. Electric engine units. So it's gonna be somewhere in here. There's some. Here. More electric engine units. Also, things in these, and these, and these. There you go. It's pretty much just enough electric engine units for just the rocket, though, so set up a couple more. Let's form back over here. Stuff in this line. Yeah. That'll work. And some more of this. Alright. Units. Electronic circuits, advanced circuits. Processing units. More steel. But also look at capacity. So we're all what we have left here. For that. How's the platform? How's everything looking? 4 of those, some of those. Some splitters. One-handed. 3 sets of fast inserters. Those. Robots. Ports. Iron, copper, steel, plastic. Batteries. Some gears. Various circuits. Electric engine units. So I'm building more laser turrets. That. I think we're probably pretty close here. We're probably pretty close. 150 fast inserters. I gotta think of anything else we might be missing here. A good chunk of engines, 50 laser turrets, some ammo, other than that. Maybe about there. A couple more fast inserters. It's at least fairly prepared, I would say. Maybe I'll do it. Anything else we've forgotten? Destroyed capsules, probably not. Some power poles up there already. Base resources. Movement stuff. A few ammo, a few lasers. Send some radars. That's quite a few radars you can fit. That'll be good. Deliver. Alright. Should be good. Let's place our stuff on the ground. So we can't bring it with us. Rocket launcher. Ammo. Alright. That's gonna be about it. Let's get going. Should be fine. We can always over-prepare, but I think we're good. I think we should be good. Travel to space platform. Really could set up multiple rockets and things. Have a request for all the different things we want to set up. Have it just put things in. The thing with requests is it kind of uses full rockets, so things can get kind of awkward and a bit of a mess. But for now, manually accomplishing it. Getting where we're going, ish. Land in here. All our stuff. Yeah. Looks like at least a starting pack worth of things. We can work with that. Okay. Add location. Fulgora. Okay. We're on rocks and stuff. We've launched all the other kinds of rocks. Too many of these rocks. Speed. Over this way. I was going to actually slow down quite a bit on the solar panel options here. So novice solar panel space is 300, 600 there, 200 there, and here it's only 120. There's gonna be a lot less power here, which is not great. More solar panels in here? Not really. Everything's just gonna go a little bit slow. As long as it just makes enough to keep doing things, that's could be worse. Okay. We're making our way through the asteroid fields here as we get further out. Could be different quantities of the different kinds of asteroids in certain places. That at least makes sense, wouldn't it? With all the guns we have, the defense situation is pretty much fine. It's not like we're going crazy speed or anything. We're going at 1 thruster speed. If we were traveling constantly between places, faster would be good. We do technically have a bit of underground pipes on board right now. We could technically set up full thrusters. But I'm in no rush. This is fine. Okay. Halfway there. Speed is still increasing. Cool. Nothing's taken any damage, which is what you like to see. Heading to Fulgora. Everything's doing fine here. How's everything going on, Dilemma? Still making stuff? Out of jelly. We out of jelly because we're out of jelly? Yep. Things just rotten. Alright. And these guys have all died. Let's just move in all the rot away. And also making a box full of landfill. It's doing its best. Oh yeah. That is going to be going into cryostasis, essentially. As we travel to more places. Plenty of rocks here to shoot. Turrets are having a good time. Ammo, doing perfectly fine. Love to see it. Power doing not good. Don't like to see that quite as much. Could maybe turn off space science production. It's fine. We're filling up a little bit here. We're trying to get other kinds of power up here. Solar power just kind of works. At any rate, chucking a few more of these rocks off here. Doesn't matter. So slow at grabbing them because of the power problems. Oh no. He's doing his best. He's doing his best. Alright. Let that cook for a little bit here. Let us go. Fulgora. No information. Can we see what all these different things are? Just it exists. It's just so we can see it exists. Drop to planet. Fulgora. Alright. The next planet. Travel to Fulgora. Achievement. Land right here. Next to a lightning attractor. Protects a small area from lightning strikes. Oh, there's a lightning strike. Health is at 100. Efficiency 0%. Range 20 plus 10. Oh, there's all the, look at all these lightning strikes. Big ruins. Huge ruins over there. We're just sitting here. Alright. Platform. Time to start dropping stuff for us. Shift left click or control left click? Control left click. Shift left click. Control left click. Control left click. Control. Control. Shift. 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 Control. 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 Send a couple cliff explosives, a couple big mining drills. We didn't bring assembly machines. Well, assembly machine 2 as it is then. And the power armor, piercing shotgun shells, and the radars, and the laser turrets. Okay. The rockets aren't hitting us, so that's nice. I'm gonna take the one that has boxes in it. So you can put boxes up for all the stuff that we're picking up here. We're pretty effective at dropping satellites here. Well, that's nice. Right. Everything? I suppose so. Alright. Yeah, assembly machine 2 as it is. For right now, at least. We can just turn them up to more things when we want to. Okay. So here we are. We are here. There's things over here. And there's a lightning attractor. Okay. Build up the space we want. Yeah, so we got a couple storage tanks. Those are for stuff up here. Wanted to make more storage tanks. Aside from that, carbon fiber I don't think we can really do much with. That's okay. Turn this guy off. Alright. Let's start by making our way over here. Oh boy. Put the finishing 2s here. Boy, it sure is lightning. My goodness. Expensive use of stuff here. Run over here. Okay. Closer to the lightning tower here. This has another lightning tower here, another lightning tower here. Some stuff. Okay. Put down some storage boxes next to the lightning tower. Some stuff in there. And bots. Too much we don't have them. A lot of these, a lot of those. A lot of those. Okay. Let's see what we need to do here. The recycling is the first bit. Cycler reverses most processes except smelting and chemistry, returning 25% of the ingredients on average. Fluid ingredients are not regained. Other items are usually returned 25% of the time, losing 75%. Returned to spoilage if they were biological. Mine entity, Fulguran Vault Ruin. Here's a Fulguran Vault Ruin. It's got things, rocks, steel, gears, wires, and bronze. So mine this whole thing. We get 276 somethings, which we're going to be able to turn into something with this. We have the recycler. Steel, gears, process units, and concrete. Okay. And scrap recycling. Takes 1 scrap, gives 20% iron gears, 7% sound fuel, 6% concrete, 5% ice, 4% steel plate, 4% battery, 4% stone, 3% advanced circuit, 3% copper cable, 2% processing unit, 1% low density structure, and 1% holmium ore. Okay. So, immediately what I'm seeing is we need 20 concrete here. Probably could have sent some concrete up, that would have been smart. New research here. We need 20 concrete. New stuff here. Scrap recycling. Recycles it into all that stuff. If we need 20 concrete at a 6% chance. It's going really quick. Look at it go. Holmium. So we got some new ore thing. Holmium ore. We also didn't send up any smelters. Well, we got that. Holmium ore. Holmium solution. Stone. Holmium ore and water in a chemical plant. Holmium plate from the holmium solution in a foundry, assembly machine, or assembly machine. Do we have any foundries? I don't think we sent any foundries. We're a little bit behind on a few things. Could we try to send this around to get the things we need? Probably, maybe. Got like half fuel. Give it a little bit. We need to get more concrete. We need water. I guess we could melt ice. It's kind of a thing. Just need more scrap recycling. Okay. It's very quick. 0.2 seconds each. Oh goodness. It's making stuff. We're doing it. Next question, what do we do for power? We also didn't send any solar panels. We got these lightning strikes, those are happening. We have a few problems that we're currently getting in here. My goodness. Let's keep doing this with all the scrap stuff we got. Just 17, 19. That's enough for 1 recycler. Here's a heating tower. That's not what we need. A lightning rod. We need stone bricks. We got stone. Do we have anything we could burn? Another potential problem. Okay. Recycler. Make one of those. We just stand next to the lightning. Does that count as power? Nope. Not really. Okay. Recycler. Has no power. What do we need to do next year? We need to make an electromagnet plant by creating 50 of the holmium plates. Alright. Okay. I think we really need a few things that we didn't bring. So I think we're going to try to send the ship back around a few times. It's going to take a little bit. It doesn't have any foundries. Anything. Do we need foundries? Not really. They're okay for stuff. We don't have the things that make the foundries really work very well. So we've got enough thruster to get back. I think that is going to be our first thing we need to deal with here. We've come over here slightly unprepared in a lot of different ways. We've got no furnaces. We've got no assembly machine 3s. We've got no power source. Yeah. We need to get working. We also need water. Some ice. Should be something. Next time. Goodbye.